What's up, life is a mission and speak my mind family. What's up, guess what is here? Wanna see it in front of you, see it in front of you. See it here, triple blend. See it there, look, and on a fake. See it there? Yes, my people, look again. Yeah! Nyam body's here! Give thanks and blessings to the supporter in Britain. You know? Big up yourself, you know yourself. You say you don't want to accolade, so we not shout out no name. Just big up yourself in Britain. Alright? Yeah man, say it to my people. So I just see me there on the end. So a few people there on the end. So I'm gonna do a little small review. So you know what to do. Continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. And just remember to the cash up pin in the comment section. $ Life is a Mission TV. And remember the young entrepreneur college student. Life of our YouTube channel. Link of our YouTube channel is in the comment section pin. Life with Gabby and Chevy. Go give her a subscription. Stay tuned for the review. Alright? Alright my people. What better way to start this review? Because this is the bartender, my people, and right now she's hungry. She's up on her phone for half an hour. So guess what? Our taste bud must up there. Because she don't have enough food or nothing in her mouth. So, honest review we are dealing with, we'll tell you what is what. Alright, which one you want to start with? The sorry or the pork? Alright, so she want to start with the pork. One thing we can tell the people, it's really moist and look gummy. So, like we left the taste now. No, just talk up to the camera.
Yeah, tastes nice.
Honest, that is a coconut.
Yeah, you know especially.
Honest review we want. Everybody around now the coconut, you know. This one we see, you know. So,
money!
when this cake was ordered for me, I did not order which one the cake I want. But when me here say the coconut and the sorrel, I say alright, that's okay because really sorrel means a sorrel man as you don't know. So when the coconut was here, I said okay. Eh? Come on, taste the sorrel now. We finish away with you. That's the sorrel. You should wash up your mouth with the water so you can get the real taste.
The real taste over here.
You talk up in the sun and me if you talk to.
Yeah, it tastes nice. 10 out of 10.
Alright, so that's the bartender. I say people, you see she now, remember me saying no, she hungry you know, so for her taste bud supposed to up. Not in her taste bud. So her taste bud supposed to up. So once she give her honest review, that's how it's supposed to do. Because nothing now cross your taste bud. Alright? We're going to move on you now. We're going to move on to one woman over there. So. See her there? Let's wait for more gentlemen. So we have to do this first.
Yeah, wait, no.
Alright, this is the coconut here. So, we want you to look over there, so honest review we want you.
And a security are David.
We don't want you to tell you no foolishness. Honest review.
You look come and tell them like you look here and say for find a little skirt there. Bumbuckland!
Okay.
It's a 9 out of 10. I think I get more coconut flavor. Like coconut.
Talk up over there, sir.
I think I get more coconut, stronger taste. But it's alright. 9 out of 10.
Alright,
you
said 9 out of 10. Alright. So I try the sorrel you know with that. And them you hot girl in the people, you see them nails how it look? You can't the wipe round them.
Murder!
So I have somebody.
Sorry ready. Sorry active.
Alright, she said it's sorrel active, but basically she give the coconut 9 out of 10 because probably she expect to taste a piece of coconut in there. You want a piece of coconut? Me have a piece in the middle, you know. And mustard you want to taste. Lady over there side in the corner, you ready? Alright, so she not have no taste bud for her boyfriend lick it out last night in her bedroom. All of her taste bud gone. Alright? Now go over here so to that man here.
16!
Yo, come in now. I know you have banana to do. You want to taste it?
I'm 6 now. Yeah, it's them bumbo.
That's if you look and tell me what I want. You talk to me. I people them who you talk to.
10 out of 10. Now what they shot?
Well,
Shot, man. Now what they shot?
everybody has said the coconut cake a shot from before me even see it or get it. So that's why I'm glad to take the coconut cake. Alright, I make him taste the sorry I know. Well, I come like I coconut around this year. Every year I keep the coconut cake. Every year I keep the coat another cake people call from me. I see the review them from why they be a coconut cake around the place.
That one I give that one a 9 out of 10.
Alright.
Coconut take it for me.
Just give that one a 9 out. Him give that one a 9 out of 10. So you see everybody have a different taste bud. So we have a move on you know to one man out there. So them man don't really eat from anybody you know. But me I go convince him and you say them man ya, them a tell you as it is, him not tell you no lie. Look on him out there so him foley man. You see him shirt bright, the color shirt them have on bright. So we have to move on to Mr. Ferguson. I'm not forget to involve in this thing. Come in Mr. Ferguson. Auntie Dan and Nyam back here.
Yeah, Bob, say I work it.
You want to get tears? Auntie Dan.
I was going to take my money just free. Right like that.
So, he's an honest man, you know. So, we know anything you say, we can work with it. If anybody you put on, we can work with it instant. So, boss, hold on for a piece of the coconut cake. Why don't give me an honest review? Or you want a smaller piece? Alright, no problem. One thing we can tell the door people, it kind of sister gummy. You know? Yeah. But the taste, we don't taste it yet. As I say people, them man out tell you honest review. If you don't taste good, I'm going to tell you. And if I say me front, tell him I'm going to tell you. So sorry. Alright, I'm going to put on the sorry now. Hold on the Fergie, let me come close. I don't want the people them say I miss nothing. Let me come closer to your Fergie. Yeah, make them hear what you say I know. Because I the same review I go around, you know, coconut gone and lead. What you say now, Fergie?
No, man, say the coconut take it over the sorrel. I don't know if because maybe the sorrel is not a popular
Cake.
The new thing.
So probably too you don't really know the taste of a sorrel cake or you just a talk of a natural taste of sorrel where you know.
Or maybe because the coconut have a sort of, yeah, coconut really and truly is a nicer flavor. Sorry. I think maybe add something more to the sorrel. To bring up the taste of the sorrel. Maybe a little more wine.
Alright, so this man I give the coconut cake the thumbs up over the sorrel, and that's a go on from what I go on from the season start. The coconut cake come like I the leader. So we are gonna move on again now. Well, them two them know money, I mean know them are doing a car money, them are play fine, and when them money are them not, so probably have to leave them out of review for now. Alright? Alright, what you say now about the review? Because I'm TSC one already, you know.
Yeah, this is sorrel. My grandfather can eat that. My 1-year-old baby can eat my taste out of that. I'm going to love it. So I'm going to watch him with it. You see the coconut now? These are man, it's a rum man. So it does look a bit more rum in our one day. And good to go, like anything. Try it out.
Remember people, if you watch the last video, this man a run me down. One more last year when him taste him and him friend watch football.
That's true.
So this man I reviewed the cake last year and him dep on it again. So right now, 3-2 people. Coconut a lead 3, Cyril a lead 2. They buy 2. So she say Cyril, him say Cyril, she say coconut, the man they say coconut, and the man say the coconut are the bomb. So coconut a lead the Cyril right now. So a 3-2. So we could see where I go on. Yeah, my people, see it here, I ran it jerk this. Him just taste the 2 cake, see there, I deliver him, I will deliver. So tell me your opinion now upon the 2 cake. One a coconut, the first one a coconut.
Yeah, the coconut tastes good, but I think the sorrel more milder. Milder, have a more
Milder taste.
Yeah, milder taste, better taste.
Well, probably you know coconut or something more rougher and stuff.
Right,
so
yeah, but,
probably that's why you get that milder taste
yeah,
there.
But I like the
You like the sorrel?
Yeah.
Alright, so people,
I'll give it sorrel the edge.
a 3-3 that now between the two cake. I remember, see it here, delivery, Ranny Jerk. So anytime you land in Jamaica, just remember, say, see it here, you know, see it there? Ranny Jerk. You understand? Yeah, man. Don't pass 3 mile and don't turn for Olympic way. Don't pass 3 mile and don't turn for Olympic way and get your chicken. If you're a jerk chicken lover, see it there? Right now to the holiday, Monday to Saturday. Alright? Yeah, man. And as of next week, we are on the 2 day. We are on the whole week. Sunday also, see it there? Ranny Jerk. Best jerk chicken in Kingston. Don't pass. If you're afraid to come on the hip trip, just link me up. Alright? And I don't tell you there's nothing to be afraid of. I'm showing you the hip strip on the video we're going up. Lively it is. Alright, see it there? Jump round there, so I don't know, look up, plate, plan. See it there? Jump your son a light yet. Cause the evening early, see it there? You understand? So just big up on yourself and just sit there. Well proper. So we'll go back to the cake review. No man, on it them.
That's it, we're done.
Yeah.
That is coconut cake. I want you to give me an honest review. I don't want you to tell me a lie. I don't want you to tell me when I go. So just tell me what you think about the taste. Cause you're a cake lover, you know, because I always see you send go buy them something there, you know. That's a coconut cake. Tell me what you think about the taste and how it tastes.
Yeah, it's nice, kid. Yeah, the money, nice.
Tastes alright.
When you say taste alright, what you mean? Alright, I don't think she put the coconut trash on them something in it. I don't sure. So most people might throw a coconut cake, like how you don't eat coconut total, you would have probably a taste a bite piece of coconut trash or coconut cake. So I don't know if she just use like, I don't know how she do it, but I think most people looking out for bite piece of coconut. More taste like? Rum cake. Well, that's your opinion. I can't fight you on your opinion. So we're gonna make your taste thoroughly, I know. But people, what I figure more or less most people who probably eating the coconut cake is looking out for a bite of tasting coconut, like a piece of coconut. Like you know when you eat coconut total, you taste like probably the trash or a piece of coconut then. So most people might say it don't taste like coconut cake because them not taste coconut cake. Them not taste coconut.
Yeah, this one, that one is nice.
That is a sorrel. So you say, when can say the sorrel nice now? Yeah, explain to the public why you say the sorrel nice, what you get from it. Some people say it's moist, some people say it's smooth. What you get from it? The taste side, what you get?
It's smooth, it tastes nice. You have a smooth taste.
Alright, so people, the sorrel gone 4. Alright, see the jerky here? Your face can you're a TikTok man, so your face can go up on the screen. Come in. Come tell the people. Which one I cake that you get? Yeah, it's a cake, you know. It's not like it's not a total, you know, Kim. A cake, you know. But it's a coconut flavored cake.
It's a coconut cake?
Yeah, that's a coconut flavored cake. Yeah, that.
Yeah, rum cake, no?
Yeah. Not the rum cake, like vanilla kill it. Straight vanilla me I take. Like pure vanilla.
Well, and you know, say that's the most talked about cake right now, so that's why them say everybody cake, but taste bud is different. You understand? So that's how the coconut cake, alright? So the cereal here now, you can take a piece of the cereal. Take a piece of the cereal, so. Come now man, you're going to free the camera when you're on TikTok, or when you're on Instagram, and do the most posting.
Hey.
Me don't want you to tell me, talk to the people them. It's nice. What you call nice? Explain what nice about it. That's what we want. Because we want to know the difference. Alright, my people, so you see it, and then you have other people earlier on in the review say them not really a taste no cereal. But this one saying taste is cereal. You understand? So everybody tastes but different, but as I say, it's just an honest review from each and everybody with taste based on feed them taste bud. Alright? Alright, my people, you hungry. So me and the bartender the same thing. See it, my food me not eat it yet, because I get cold. So me I do the review. Because I want to catch them people here. Alright? Me I work with the cereal first. You see me fully? Round this up. No, you don't need to see this. You see me fully? Alright, hold on. I'm going to go up some more with the camera. You see me now?
Yeah.
You see me now?
Bring the camera a little bit more.
You see me fully now?
Yeah, but I see your head top.
You see? Alright. Auntie, yeah, my auntie. Yeah, you say Opal Anis. I'm going to show you who Anis. Jacob, pass some water for me there. Or ice cool water there.
No, you don't have to take it. You don't have water.
Too heavy. Water too heavy. That's why I'm not drink it again. And for me, I drink this and start at the price smart water. I'm not really drink this again neither. Alright, that's the cereal, my people. Alright, mouth wash out. People, honestly, me not really a coconut man like that, you know. Yeah, me not a coconut man like that, so I tell you, but you see the texture of the coconut cake, yeah? I love it like when me and my woman are going to bed. You understand? The texture of the coconut cake, yeah? I love it like when me and my woman are going to bed. Yeah man, and that time like now when the time bleak and rain and fall, I love the texture of the cake, yeah? The coconut cake. So, mix, we get into the taste. Remember, me not a coconut lover. It's a cereal over this, you know, my people. And we cover yourself. I'll be a coconut crumbs this. Yes, my people, welcome back again, you know. As I said, we don't know, sir, it's a cereal, man. But coconut gonna lead for me. That not say the cereal not taste good, but the coconut. Whoa! You understand? No. You don't say no. I know I'm share this. Why not? No, sir. You understand? So, anyway, I need my little tap make them tell me what I want.
Can't present now?
Yeah, but you can't present it, man.
Sorry, I need it.
Alright, go on now, sir. What are you presenting?
Medina.
Medina? Alright, people say she can't Medina come, but you don't know how beer food is. Because I want to be loving beer. You understand? So where she can't come here? About she can't Medina come. But a beer food is she can't come, you know? Alright.
Make sure we see it on YouTube.
Alright, people. So, big up on yourself. That was the Nyam cake review. I And you don't know what things different. But the coconut cake, they keep the edge over the side. Alright? So, big up on yourself, my people. When you know what they do, continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit the thumbs up. Please to watch the ads. And remember, cash up in the comment section. $sign Life is a Mission TV. Remember the young entrepreneur college student. Link of our YouTube channel is in the comment section. So you don't know, you're a subscription. Come tell the people them what you ask about. Come in man, you come tell people them about the triple blend. Watch the man around. The man say I'm afraid of camera every minute him there on TikTok. Why people, I'm sorry, I never catch her. I should dust out the cover. The girl dust out the cover and throw the crumbs in her mouth, people. Me beg her cover the cake for me people and me catch the girl. Dust out the crumbs out of the cover and throw it in her mouth. Me see she throw it in her mouth, people. Nyam bad. One mountain view.